Hello everyone, my name is Cai Yijie. This is my English midterm, SDGs 14. The goals of SDGs 14 is conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. The news is Dutch SEAL Kindergarten. This small yet impactful SEAL Center not only serves as a rescue, medical, and rehabilitation facility for injured SEALs, but also offers engaging marine ecology exhibitions. It shares the results of years of dedicated work with audience of all ages. Dutch SEAL Kindergarten. Rescue and education go hand in hand, with creative engagement driving action. The SEAL Center team also engages supporters from around the world through creative and diverse ways, encouraging active participation in conservation efforts. This is my English midterm presentation. Thank you for listening.